Study on Assimilation of Architecture in Fashion Wear. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Creativity in the field of fashion is known to draw inspiration from many unusual sources. One such source happens to be architectural styles of buildings that strive to preserve the cultural heritage of an entire civilization. The styles might not only inspire simple motifs and silhouette types, but also weave a story that will eventually find its way into more intricate forms of human clothing. Therefore, this paper will lead us to first understand the inner anatomy of a piece of architecture. Later, the paper will help us identify the finer elemental artifacts that can be retrieved and assembled into an exotic fashion creation. The final objective is to establish the hidden relationships, influences, similarities, and differences between the fields of architecture and fashion design. Within India, the great monuments whose architectures are waiting to be exploited for fashion ideas include the Golden Temple, Charminar, Meenakshi Temple, and Hampi. This study reveals that many fashion designers have been inspired by intricate elements of architecture. Design of a garment, while keeping in mind commercial marketability and competitiveness, is in itself a very creative process. A design is usually inspired by one's immediate surroundings. The inspiration can typically come from innate objects, biological species, or even a naturally occurring rainbow phenomenon. It is here that the mood of the creation needs to be accurately and elegantly conveyed to the consumer. With a variety of sources already exploited for new ideas, architecture would be the next natural choice. From a creative standpoint, well-preserved ancient monuments usually point towards creative styles that have stood the real test of time and survived through several human generations. In fact, the greatness of an ancient civilization is often measured by a list of relevant architectural achievements. Therefore, it makes perfect sense to have architectural styles provide the input stimulus for clothing fashion designs too. In fact, this might even come off as a natural extension. While discussing the common elements in fashion and architecture in a quest for understanding the relationships between the two, this paper touches upon various aspects. In particular, the paper explains the creative process involved in fashion design and the architectural monuments in India that served as the sources of inspiration. Several research papers have also been examined for fresh insights. Fashion designs that were inspired by Indian architecture have also been reviewed for a better understanding of the creative process. To help understand the relationship between fashion and architecture, a clear interconnection of the two needed to be first established. This was done by highlighting the similarities and differences between these two domains. Later, the elements of architecture that are incorporated into a fashion creation lead to the evidence of how a study of architecture can bring up an unusually rare inspiration for the wearable art. Finally, with the help of numerous examples, it is reasoned that Indian architectural monuments are a great source of inspiration for fashion designers. However, while most designers have tried exploiting Mughal architecture, other traditional works of architecture within India remain relatively untapped. But these too can turn out to be as a great source of inspiration for a new generation of fashion designers willing to move beyond the stereotype Mughal domain and intelligently explore other uncharted territories. Thus, other Indian architectural monuments such as Golden Temple, Charminar, Meenakshi Temple, Hampi and so on can further be explored to derive inspiration for fashion design. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.